Welcome back. BJP has said that government will come out with lease policy after taking all stakeholders into confidence. BJP will also act against the culprits involved in the illegal mining scam. The party has welcomed Supreme Court's decision on mining.
ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपा खातीर जेन्ना गाडयो रस्त्यार देंवतात तेन्ना चड मोठ्या प्रमाणात पोल्यूशन आनी लोकांक त्रास जातात. हाचे खातीर एक सविस्तर बायपास जावपाक जाय, मायनिंग कॉरिडोर जावपाक जाय, ट्रकाचेर म्हणजे मॉनिटरींग जावपाक जाय आनी ट्रॅफिक रेग्युलेट जावपाक जाय, कंजेशन्स काडपाक जाय, जेटीचेर सगळ्यो सुविधा उपलब्ध आसपाक जाय, बार्ज ट्रान्सपोर्ट सुरळीत जावपाक जाय. अजूनही काही संबंधितांकडनं याची प्रपोजल झालेली आहे की कॉर्पोरेशन करावं. मला जर पर्सनल विचारलं तर माझं पण मत तसंच आहे की कॉर्पोरेशन करायलाच पाहिजे. त्यामुळे त्याला एक म्हणजे रेग्युलेटरी रिफॉर्म्स येणार आहेत आणि त्यामुळे हे जे इन्कम रेव्हेन्यू आहे ते आपल्या सरकारला मिळण्याची शक्यता आहे. त्यामुळे कॉर्पोरेशन करणं अगदी उत्तम सोल्युशन आहे हे मला वाटतं. ओपिनियन, इट इज नॉट अ पार्टीज व्ह्यू, पण असं काही जणांना वाटतंय. त्यामुळे ही लोक जी आहेत ती एका ठिकाणी बसल्यानंतरच त्याच्यावर निर्णय होईल. See, we had told that within 6 months we will act upon, and we were expecting the results from the Supreme Court also within 6 months. That has not come. That itself has taken 18 months. Then now the results have come. Now you can count on this from this date on another 6 months.
It's 22nd April. It's time to remember Mother Earth. It's Earth Day. Earth is the only known habitable planet in our whole solar system. Uncontrolled exploitation of forest mineral resources has endangered planet Earth. Here are a few steps that we all can take to make our Earth safe and clean.
On Earth, we are lucky to have fresh air, water and food for human and animal survival. But human greed has endangered Earth. Humans are consuming more resources and in the event polluting the environment. Humans don't understand that we have only one Earth to live. But there is scope for correcting our mistakes. We can contribute our share in daily life in saving environment and Mother Earth. Let's see what we can do at our offices and at home. Put off AC when not needed. Put off light, fan and other electrical equipment when not in use. If possible, use fluorescent and LED lights at home instead of traditional bulbs as they consume lot of electricity. Try using Earthal search engine instead of Google. Earthal saves lot of electricity of your computer monitor. Shut down computers in offices when not in use. Do not waste water. Put off the tap when not in use. Switch off your bike or car to stop unnecessary fuel consumption. Do not use plastic bags. Put off mobile charger when battery is fully charged. Take a walk to buy groceries instead of taking a bike or a car. If we start following these tips in our routine work, we can definitely add our bit of share in saving Mother Earth. On Tuesday, Siddharthi Goa Resort observed Earth Day. Information session was conducted for school children on various ways of saving energy, recycling and reusing materials. Children were also given saplings for making their surrounding green and beautiful. Our video journalist from Panji, Devendra Gaukar.
Panji Fast Track Court has reserved its order on giving entire CCTV footage to the accused Tarun Tejpal in the lady journalist's sexual assault case. The court has also reserved its order on Tejpal's demand to provide entire call details with mobile tower location details related with the case. The court will pronounce its order on 3rd May. Meanwhile, the Children's Court has reserved its order on the anticipatory bail petition filed by the accused headmistress of Taligaon-based Royal High School, Maria Zita Afonso.
During the hearing on Tuesday, Tarun Tejpal's counsel contended that prosecution is denying to give in writing which electronic documents are part of charge sheet and which are not. Defence counsel also contended that mobile phones related with the case are in crime branch's custody and content on the mobile phone has not been supplied to them. In reply, prosecution stated that the documents on which they have relied upon are already provided to the accused. Prosecution also contended that defence side is demanding some documents which is not a part of the charge sheet, like SMS text on a particular cell number, and CCTV footage of the scene of crime after relevant dates. Earlier, the court had directed both the parties to talk and find out which documents are a part of charge sheet and which are yet to be given to the accused. But both the parties failed to reach on a consensus. Hence, the court has reserved its order for 3rd May. Meanwhile, the designated Children's Court has reserved its order on the anticipatory bail plea of tainted headmistress of Talegaon-based Royal High School, Maria Zita Afonso. Panji Police has booked Maria Zita Afonso for alleged physical and mental harassment of students of the school. Later, Directorate of Education had directed the accused headmistress not to visit the school. The court will pronounce the judgment on Friday. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.